Hi everybody, I'm Raymond Francis, and I want to talk to you today about a treatment that is becoming more and more popular. And especially for you men out there, you need to know that there are some risks that go along with this popular treatment, and that is testosterone replacement therapy. You know, for decades, physicians prescribed hormone replacement therapy for millions of women. We now know this was a disaster. These women paid a very high price for that therapy, with higher rates of cancer, stroke, heart attacks, and osteoporosis. In fact, breast cancer rates have recently declined. Why? Fewer doctors are prescribing hormone replacement therapy because we now know the dangers. In other words, breast cancer rates have declined because fewer doctors are giving their patients breast cancer. Unfortunately, we may now be seeing a similar situation with men. This testosterone replacement therapy is becoming one of the most sought after sex enhancement treatments since the introduction of Viagra. New testosterone drugs are in hot demand. Prescriptions for testosterone replacement therapies have more than doubled since 2006, over 5 million prescriptions a year, and this number is projected to triple by 2017. Clinics and treatment centers are sprouting up all over the country, and men are lining up to get shots, gels, patches, to boost their testosterone. Some men say they feel like they're in their 20s again. Well, now, this sounds really, really good. But still, a growing number of scientists and physicians warn that relying on this drug as a fountain of youth risks serious health consequences. Testosterone can increase the rate of growth of prostate tumors. It can cause blood clots, infertility, liver damage. Many doctors are now warning that demand for these testosterone treatments could lead to overuse with deadly side effects. The truth is, testosterone is a highly addictive drug, and a lot of really bad things can happen if you misuse it. Still, to meet the growing demands for testosterone treatments, these clinics are opening up everywhere, and the companies selling the drugs say that when they're properly used, the products provide tremendous help to men with manageable side effects. However, the drug companies themselves caution that men taking testosterone treatments should be monitored for prostate cancer. I mean, give me a break. Now, the fact that even the manufacturers recommend that you should be monitored for prostate cancer should be your first clue that testosterone replacement therapy just may not be the best idea that ever came along. If your testosterone is low, why don't you just increase it naturally? Well, how do you do that? Well, to increase your testosterone naturally, first, stop lowering your testosterone. Well, what are you doing that's lowering your testosterone? Well, one thing is you're eating sugar. Get off of the sugar. Eating sugar increases insulin. When the insulin goes up, the testosterone goes down. Reduce the stress in your life. For example, take up regular meditation. Stress increases cortisol, and cortisol makes the testosterone go down. Stop eating meat and dairy products that are not organic. Conventional meat and dairy contain toxic dioxins. Dioxins interfere with testosterone production. So if your testosterone is low, there's a reason for it. After you stop lowering your testosterone, there are things you can do to increase it. This includes getting more exercise. Exercise increases testosterone. Be sure to consume adequate amounts of essential fatty acids because they're essential to testosterone production. Be sure your vitamin D levels are in the normal range, because vitamin D correlates very carefully with testosterone levels in men. So if you don't have adequate vitamin D, you won't have good testosterone levels. Adequate amounts of zinc are also crucial to testosterone production, and most Americans are deficient in zinc. As usual, doctors and drugs are dangerous options, while taking responsibility for your own health is the way to go. Very few men need testosterone replacement therapy, but all men need to keep their testosterone levels normal by doing the things that help your body to keep your hormones balanced. If you need help with supplements to increase your testosterone production, call Beyond Health and get some help. We'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day.